Today is boat project day. There are a few things that I need to address. We've got some water in the bilge, and I'm gonna try and troubleshoot where that might be coming in. And then I need to tighten my rigging. Not exactly sure what happened. I know that last week I was able to put the main on a winch, which I've never done before, and really just spent some time rigging or playing with the trim on the sail. So I don't know if maybe I stretched the forestay and the backstay a little bit. So I'm gonna tighten those up, and that's my best guess on that. I need to fix this. That was just a makeshift to get out on the lake last Sunday. So I just made this temporary shackle because I needed to go out last week, and I hadn't got mine yet. I've got a shameless plug. So I have a marine parts website called Prop and Wake. So went to my website, got a 5mm Harken shackle, and that's what we'll be putting on here. So the website is just a chance for me to stay active in the marine community, to grow my knowledge and those types of things. So if you do need any boat parts, propandwake.com, and we'll be sure to take care of you and get you what you need. So let's get this shackle put on. Well, looks like I'll be going back to propandwake.com for another shackle. And that is part of boat life, isn't it? Working over the water. Gosh. Oh. Probably the other rookie mistake. Was not ordering 2 or 3 of those. So I thought I might have some spare parts. The boat came with, just all sorts of stuff. But I don't. So we will be ordering several of those. Cannot believe that. I can't believe that happened. So we'll get some ordered up. That's just part of it. So let me show you the bilge and get your thoughts on that. So what we've got going on here is water there, and water there, and a lot of times, so move to the bow, we've got a lot of water coming in right there. So my thoughts are, it's coming from the back, from the stern. It's hot. It's really not hot. It's only 80, but it's just hot, So one of the things that I'll show you here in a second, when the boat gets weighted down, like on Sunday, there was 3 of us, and so that's quite a bit more than normally it's just myself sailing. So I took on quite a bit of water. I mean, I took on maybe a couple gallons through the course of the whole day, and I think what it is it's coming in from the stern. So I think it's coming in from there. I think those screws are not tight or properly sealed, and you can see it's just at the water line. So my thinking is that the boat gets a little bit more weight, those screws drop below the water line, and then when waves are slapping against the boat, or when the boat's even been anchored quite a bit and taken on waves, I think that's what's causing the problem. So I need to, on the haul out, start there and just see if I can identify if it's the screws not being sealed up properly. So I would definitely be open to anyone's thoughts or suggestions on that one for sure. We'll have to get another shackle. Take 2. So yeah, that's what we've got going on this week. So unfortunately there won't be any sailing today, because I don't want to put that other part back on. It wasn't right, and I just needed it to work for that one time, but I want the right parts on. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's boat life. So we'll get it figured out.